So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to your own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again and I like the concept. Trust me, I mean look how smooth it looks. But okay, it is very difficult to make, but we are making it easy for you. So just follow the video as we are making it and you will get exactly the same flower we are getting here. And wow, I mean this is actually wow. So pretty, yeah. You'll be like a verified kind of an artist if you follow the way we are making it here. And okay, I'm already in love with this video, so I'll just be like wow in the whole video. So please don't mind, bear me, because this is just wow, guys. how I don't exactly have words how beautiful these flowers are looking, how beautiful we are making them, and these are just beautiful. Trust me, these are really beautiful and done. So we are making these 3D flowers and you just have to make them very patiently, because it just take a second to ruin them. And please, I don't want them to be ruined because they're looking so nice. I'm just going to try these because these are so nice. Yeah, I really don't have to even speak for them. They're really nice. I mean, I'm like, somebody please gift me these because they look really nice. You can actually make them and decorate them, and don't forget to write your name in the bottom part so that they can know that you are the artist who made this wonderful painting. Okay, now while I was talking to you, I think we already taught you a lot. I really love this color though. You can actually now, if you must be thinking ki how are we making these 3D colors here, so you just have to take another brush, and from that brush you have to take your main brush, the one we are making from this plaza, and then just paste the colors you want. Like if we are taking white and blue here, so just first stroke be like white, then on the same brush. Okay guys, don't get confused in that. And then just paste the favorite colors of yours, and your brush is all done. Now just take strokes, and your strokes will be of different colors at the same time. And these are just beautiful. Trust me, these are really beautiful and done. Okay, I don't know the name of this flower. Do tell me, because I have bought one of them and they are in my garden. But these are like, bell type of flowers. Those have yellow something in the center and they really look nice. But I just don't know the name of the flower. Though I bought it, I just don't know the name. I forget, and now I just want to know. But even Google is not trying to help me, guys. You have to. Okay, so your flower is all... Okay, that looks similar to this one, but the color is purple. Trust me. And the center part is yellow. Okay. Now this one is really nice, yaar. They are so nice. I just want few of them to be in my house, though I'll just have to make them once. Okay, thank you for watching.